Hello, my healthy friends. Thank you guys so much for all your well wishes. And I am back at it again. And I appreciate you guys. And thanks for all my new subscribers. I appreciate everything. Okay, guys, so let's get started. I'm making a gut healthy smoothie that I absolutely drink all the time. And we all need, right? Especially in today's times. So I have here a cup of blueberries, handful of spinach, 1 apple. Oh guys, and I have a new juicer. I can't wait for you to see it also. I'm gonna add my celery, add a teaspoon of flax meal. Oh, maybe a little bit more. You can add as much as you want. It's up to you guys. And then to that I will add 2 cups of water. That I normally do is my probiotic pill. So what I do is I just open it up, if I can get it open, right? But I added my probiotics in there as well, okay? And that's it. Probiotics, gut healthy. Don't want to forget that. And that's all you need to make this simple and easy gut healthy juice. You can call it smoothie if you want. It's pretty much up to you, but it's great for your gut health. And then just put it on here. That's it, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to make a gut healthy smoothie. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Don't give me that look. It's nutrient dense. We have our vitamin C, vitamin K, all right? We have our omega-3 with the flax seeds. We also have fiber. And we have our probiotics. Can't beat that, right? And don't forget, I put a whole bunch of flax meal, flax mix in it, okay? So I had the flax mix, and my flax mix is, I'll show you. It's the one from Trader Joe's. So it's flax and chia blend together. All right. So that's what I use. And this is what it looks like, guys. Don't let the color fool you. It's absolutely delicious. Like I said, it's great for your gut. We got our probiotics in here. We got our vitamin K. We got vitamin C. We got fiber. We got omega-3. And we have it. There it is, guys. All right. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. I just want to come on and show you guys how to make a quick and easy gut healthy smoothie. Perfect. It's going to keep you full and you're going to love it. All right, guys. So if you're also trying to maintain a healthy weight, this is perfect as well. So that's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is free. And thank you once again for all your well wishes and condolences. I appreciate it and I appreciate you. Say it with me. Stay healthy.